me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If you are new here, I thank you so much for joining me. Please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from me. And if you're returning, hey, Shug Muffins. All right, y'all, so today we got another edition of
Budget Friendly Friday. I said Budget Friendly Friday. I said Budget Friendly Friday. A Budget Friendly Friday.
Yes, y'all. Budget Friendly Friday is where I am bringing you or showcasing wigs that are under $25, sugar. Alright, so today I'm going to be reviewing a unit from Outre. It is with their Wigpop collection, which I have never tried, so first time rookie here. It is one of their synthetic full wigs. I have it in the style DESSY and in the color GingerBrown. So let's go right on ahead and dive into this review.
Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? Baby, so can you take me on a date? The simple things you do to make me stay. Now it's like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? If you want me the way I want you, put your all into all that you do. It's only right, it's what I deserve.
All right, y'all, so after quickly styling this unit, let's go ahead and get into my thoughts. This is not gonna take a whole lot of time, okay? So for the good, I actually really like the style. I love the nice little messy wave bob. The color, yes, I am a huge fan of this ginger brown color. I have reviewed a few wigs in this color and always absolutely love it. So when I saw that it was available in this color, I had to have it. It was like a no-brainer. I feel like this length is perfect. It's very comfortable, very nice for the summer. Like, come on, let's get summer ready, sis. Now this texture is more of a light silky, which is a silky I can definitely handle. I don't like when it's like too silky. So light silky I can handle. I like to call it with the, you know, where it's like light silky texture. It got a little texture up in here, so it's not too silky. I don't know if I want to give it yucky, but it definitely got some texture to it. Now, I normally give you the price more so towards the end, but that is such a good pro about this unit that the price range is only like $15 to $20. That's it, sis. Like, she's actually cute. She serves a cute style for roughly $18. Like, winner. You can't beat that. Now, do she got some flaws? Yes, and yes. So we're gonna start with one of my pet peeves, which is this plastic part. Like, give me a doggone lace part already. What is with this plastic stuff? I don't know. It's so hard to camouflage. Just give me the lace. It's such a pet peeve of mine. I cannot stand the plastic part. But that's what we got on this one. Some people don't care. And, you know, that's great for you. I just personally do not like the plastic part. But I mean, you know, you can camouflage it as best as you can. As you saw, I went in with my foundation powder and it blends okay for the most part. You know, it's alright. It ain't like what a lace would do, but you know, it's okay. Another con is I feel like this cap is a little on the small side. Like, I already have a small to medium sized head. So normally I can fit just about any cap. Yeah, I was like, oh, yeah. Like, it's so much of my edges hanging out. I was like tugging and pulling, trying to get it all the way down. Yeah, cap is on the small side, sis. Okay, so another thing that I don't really experience too often. So most of these wigs come with the standard cap construction with the combs in the front, maybe in the middle, in the back. But never have I ever had such disrespectful combs. Like, normally the combs just mind their business. You know, they sit on top of your wig cap and your wig grip. They don't bother nothing or nobody. But these combs, like, they just kept wanting to stick into my edges. And I'm like, no, that's not what we're doing. That's not what I ever do. I never use the combs on these things. So why are we like forcing the combs into my edges? It was real weird. I kept having to maneuver them. I almost cut them out. But I know I'm not going to keep this wig. And somebody might actually like the combs. So I was like, let me leave them. But they were getting on my nerves. Another con for me is this filler hair. It's a lot of filler hair going on up here. I mean, a lot. And it's shedding. Not a whole lot of tangling, but she is shedding, y'all. So all in all, I really think it's a cute wig, and she can definitely serve some justice as a nice quick throw on and go, cute style for work or just running errands or what have you, like a super quick throw on and go. But it's just a little too many cons for my liking, especially when it includes a pet peeve. Like, I don't know if I can get past the plastic part. You know, like I say, some people don't care, but that's a huge pet peeve for me. I can't get past the plastic part. I wish they would say that on the stock card, because you really can't tell by looking. And had I known, yeah, I probably wouldn't have even gotten there, because I just don't do the plastic parts. Now, on another good note, this is one of those units that come in some really pretty colors in addition to this ginger brown. Like, it has the chocolate swirl, the DR copper orange, the DR2 golden amber, DR2 cinnamon wine, and DR4 tiramisu. So super cute specialty colors that you probably want to check out if you like those colors and if you like this wig. Well, that's really all I got for y'all. I gave you all my deets, all my feelings, all my thoughts, all of that. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I'd love to know, honey. All right, so if you have made it this far in the video, go ahead and leave me this little blue butterfly right here down in the comments below so that I know you made it to the end, Shug Muffin, and you know I truly appreciate you for that. Also, if you're not already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at MsEbonyVee. I love to communicate with you there as well. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. Please be sure to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I'll be sure to catch you all in the next video. Yeah.
Where's the kind of love that I used to know? If you want me the way I want you, put your all into all that you do. It's only right.